thank you for coming out. It's a workshop especially for you guys, our elite members. We really appreciate your loyalty to us, and we're gonna repay that loyalty by giving you guys some game-changing speakers, some great techniques.
The most valuable aspect to me for these workshops is meeting other people and people that have the same questions and concerns and experiences. Seeing it in action and seeing other people use the tools really helps me sort of wrap my head around how to use it.
A workshop, networking, having the opportunity to meet Manny Coates, Bradley Sutton. It's funny, I just finished all the pro training for Helium 10. Now here they are, you know, behind me over my right shoulder. Got to meet them, got to see where they did the podcasts, all that stuff. And then also with other sellers that are successful on Amazon, learning just different tips and tricks from them. What I appreciate is, you know, I spend so much money, like I said, on softwares, but you guys are the only ones who kind of go above and do stuff like this. And this is free. So as a new seller, or fairly new, at least with this crowd that's here today, I felt very welcomed. Some of the stuff was over my head, meaning I just don't know a lot about it yet, but everyone was very welcoming in helping me understand different tools, different aspects to Amazon, different remedies to selling on Amazon that, you know, that work and work well for them, and really just trying to help me as a fellow seller. For sure, like I definitely find some actionable stuff, and probably too much for me to remember. I've written it all down, and I usually spend the next 3 or 4 days just really going gangbusters, like implementing everything and using these live meetups as sort of a motivation to light a fire under me that I need most times, like that added motivation of, you know, so many people crushing it, I should say. It helps me keep going. The networking leads me to learn stuff. I literally met like some crazy people here today. A couple guys are just absolute monsters in this business. So, I mean, that alone, I would go to a $20,000 mastermind to meet guys half as good as a couple guys I met today. So, yeah, that's the best part for me. And today was a mega win. I'm happy to do this. Manny and the crew putting this together, I super appreciate it.